girls. Play in the snow. Love you. You too. So far so good. Not a lot of traffic on the road. That means a lot of people got the day off. It's good. Stay home.
You sound like a nice person.
That little guy right there needs to get away from those plows. He's like right between them. Idiot.
Yeah, that way. Follow my track like a Segway. Yeah, that way. I used to trap out of subway. Yeah, that way. Don't trap with the AK. Yeah, that way. Yeah, come get it done, Macy.
Not too bad here so far. Plowing. Yeah, roads aren't too bad right now. Preloaders are just about gone, and they loaded the brownies, but they're not sending the brownies out on road today, so they'll sit till tomorrow. Taking a quick break. I'm eating some yogurt. Just had some fruit a little while ago. I'm starving. It's nice and quiet in the hub right now because they shut everybody down and nobody came in. No day shift. The drivers didn't come in. So it's quiet. I'm getting a lot of work done. I'm trying to be quick before people come back to my office. So I'll catch up with you guys later when I leave. I'm heading home now. My boss kicked me out early. He said it's snowmageddon outside. It's still not that bad right now. It's not snowpocalypse yet. I should make it home in one piece. Ooh. Just need to give the truck a quick brush off and then I'll be on my way. Seems like they've been keeping up with the plowing, so I think I've kind of lucked out today with the driving weather. I'll make it home in one piece. Yay! All these side streets are not plowed at all. All white. Made it! Success! Pretty deep. Probably 4 inches. God. Hi, girls. Hey, hi. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, Chloe. Good girl. Chloe wants to play. Chloe wants to play. Get it, Cindy. She could get you. She could get you. Chloe, do you love the snow? Huh? You love the snow? Made a chef salad for lunch. It's got a little bit of turkey, ham, cheese, and tomatoes. Looking for the plows? Huh? Waiting for the plows.
I can't believe we budgeted this forever.
Hi.
One piece of advice that I wish someone would have told me when I was younger. Just always keep your head up and to always focus on positivity. Just because when you're an emerging artist,
I'm back out into the cold now. I gotta go pick up my sister from work. It is a whiteout now. Made it! Woohoo! Well, I made it. Now I just gotta wait for my sister to come out any minute. It's a cute little thing. I want to ride that.
Don't make fun of my backpack. I was planning on staying here for the weekend.
It's coming out in this.
Sup, YouTube?
I closed this gate before I left. It blew open again. This side gate keeps blowing open, and if we don't notice it, we put the dogs out. The dogs are gonna get loose. Oh man, you're a snow beast. Girls, no, you don't want to go out there, trust me. It's not like earlier. It's a lot worse. We made ourselves a cocktail, sit with the girls, and now it's shameless. Just taking a break from shameless. Tony's just went outside to plow and shovel a little bit. Snow is still coming down pretty good. It's at least 1.5 feet right now. So yeah, we're just taking a break from shameless right now, getting that done. My sister's taking a nap and I'm just sitting out here with the girls, so yeah. And Tony's dad's here plowing. Look at that snowbank. You can't see it, but it is pretty high. What's Grandpa doing, huh? Grandpa's plowing? Yeah. They just love to pile that snowbank high and annoy me. Every single storm. Oh my down, honey. Yes, I am making some waffles. Yes, it is a processed food, and yes, I am putting butter on it. So kill me, I'm hungry. It's 7:45. Now we gotta go pick up my mom from work. Don't! Sicko.
Now you gotta start all over.
No! I'm leaving it, and I'm gonna put it so people can see
Okay, fine.
how you are.
Put
People
this.
can see how you are. Yo, look at this huge bank. Look at
It's not bad.
look at that huge bank.
It's not even that bad.
Oh my god, the beast is back. The beast is back. Look at this huge snowbank. It was gone. You rebuilt it.
The rocks.
Yeah, the rocks. Ah!
Take a look.
No!
Take a look.
Wait. No!
Why don't you take a closer
No! No! Leave me alone.
Let me drive.
No, get away. Go stay home. I'm not locking it. Alright, well, it's 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna end this vlog and I'm going to bed. So, love you. Good night. Bye.